Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your device was working just fine but suddenly stopped receiving incoming calls, don't panic. It might be a minor issue. A few quick checks and some light troubleshooting could get things back to normal. So without delay, let's get into it. First, check your settings. Sometimes a simple setting change can prevent calls from coming through. So open the phone app, then tap on the menu icon, select settings, and then tap block numbers. Make sure the number you are expecting calls from isn't on the block list. Next, go to supplementary services, then call bearing, and select voice call. Check if incoming calls is enabled. If it's turned on, that's why you're not receiving calls. So disable it to fix the issue. If your settings look fine but calls still aren't coming through, try refreshing your phone's memory with the forced restart. To do this, press and hold the volume down button and the power key simultaneously for about 10 seconds. When the logo appears, release both buttons and wait for your phone to reboot. Once it turns back on, check if incoming calls are working again. If you're still unable to receive calls, resetting all settings might do the trick. This will restore your device configurations to the default settings without deleting any of your personal data. So open the settings app, scroll down to general management and tap on it. Then tap on reset, followed by reset all settings, and finally click on reset settings. This process won't erase your files but will revert system settings to factory defaults. If the issue persists even after resetting, it's time to contact your service provider for further assistance. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.